We just have got this in. I think I had it too long. I just hadn't had time to get out here and talk about it or post a video of it. But it's a 56 Chevrolet. I'm not sure if this thing has a title or not. I'd have to go in there and check it out and see. But we do have this available. I know there's a lot of 56, 57, 55 Chevrolet fans out there. So we just got this in. It's got some nice chrome on it. We're not parting this out right now. You can see it's $4,000 for the whole thing. I know I'm gonna get beat up on that. It's too much of price. That's a rust bucket. Y'all tell me about it. There's no inside, so yeah. Everybody's gonna beat me up on the price, but that's okay. That's what we're here for. Y'all tell me what you'd sell it for. Probably $200. Let's go to the scrap field with it. That's what people say. But that's okay too. We just like to have a good time out here looking at old cars. We love old cars. And, you know, they probably don't even have a motor and transmission in it. I don't know. Can't raise the hood. Hubs is working. But it's not a bad car. It'd be pretty just to put on the road just like that. I like the rat rod style better. I don't like the really polished look. I'd rather have it just like this. Can you imagine riding back today? I like it because it's a two-door hardtop, not the post. It took me a long time to figure out that difference, but it looks cool with that long window right there. Can you just see yourself riding down the road in that thing? I wish we could fix up every old car we've got here, because I mean it would just be wonderful. And the Hubs is trying. We're truly trying to get to that point of putting some things together. I think he's going to buy some roll cages and put inside these cars, and you know, we're set the car down on the roll cage and trying to make it like a race car, road ready race car, so you kind of drive it on the road but it's legal. Y'all ever done that? Let me know if y'all done that before. Tell me your thoughts. Send me some stuff. We're just a little small mom and pop, me and Dusty and his mom and our little dog Molly. We just, you know, piddle along, try to make a little money on the side and post these videos and try to let everybody see what we have, and maybe they can reminisce about the things they had in their past and enjoy the show while they're watching. But anyway, here's a 56 Chevrolet. Y'all tell me what you might want to see. We might have it, and I just hadn't posted it yet. So if y'all are looking for a particular car, tell me. You want a video of this particular car, truck? I might have it. You never know.